Everyone is talking about these luxury topiary videos right now. They're exploding across social media, pulling in millions of views, and one of them has already passed 200 million views. So if you want to ride this viral trend and create these videos yourself, this is the exact workflow you need. And the best part, you don't need advanced editing skills or complicated software. I'm going to show you the full process step by step. Let's start. First, open ChatGPT. Go to Explore GPTs and search for Topiary Shorts. Click on the GPT shown here and start the chat. Once inside, click the Start button at the top. Now the GPT will ask what you want to transform into a luxury topiary sculpture. It also gives you several suggestions. If you don't like the options, simply type more and it will generate additional ideas. You can create animals, fantasy creatures, objects, vehicles, and much more. For this example, we'll go with an elephant. Once you type elephant, the GPT will generate 5 image prompts and 1 video prompt for you. This is where the magic starts. Now copy the first image prompt and head over to Higgsfield. Open the Image tab and select Nano Banana 2. Paste the text to image prompt into the prompt box. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Change the resolution to 2K. For faster workflow, set the image amount to 4. Then click Generate. Once it finishes, Nano Banana will give you several image options. Choose the one that looks the strongest. This will be your foundation. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt. Return to Higgsfield. Delete the first prompt and paste the new one. Now select your favorite image from the first generation as the reference image. Keep the same settings and click Generate again. This creates your starting frame. Now go back and copy the third prompt. Leave the same reference image in place. Paste the new prompt and click Generate. This is where the transformation gets exciting. Now the foliage starts filling the metal frame. The greenery grows through and around the structure until the elephant shape becomes fully visible. Once complete, download the image. Next, copy the fourth prompt. Delete the previous prompt and paste the new one. Remove the old reference image and replace it with the image you just created. Then click Generate. This time, the metal frame disappears completely. Now the elephant looks like a finished luxury topiary sculpture. Download this image too. Now for the final image. Go back and copy the fifth prompt. Remove the old prompt, paste the new one, and replace the previous reference image with the latest one. Follow the exact same process and click Generate. This final scene transforms everything into night mode. Garden lights appear around the sculpture and inside the elephant itself, creating that rich luxury nighttime look. Now you have all 5 images. The start frame. The crane placing the metal elephant structure. The foliage filling the frame. The metal support removed. And the final nighttime luxury garden scene. Now let's turn these into video. For this step, we'll use Sora. Upload all 5 images. Arrange them in chronological order from image 1 to image 5. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt and paste it here. Set the duration to 15 seconds. Aspect ratio 9:16. Resolution 720p. Then click Generate. Once it finishes, you'll have a stunning topiary time-lapse video ready to post. And yes, it looks incredibly satisfying. We also tested this exact workflow with a tiger, and the result looked amazing too. That's the power of this system. You're not just copying a trend. You're creating viral content that people actually stop scrolling for. Now let's try another method using Kling AI instead. Here we'll use begin frames and end frames. First, upload your begin frame and your end frame. Then go back to ChatGPT. This time, do not copy the full prompt. Only copy the first time frame section exactly as shown. Return to Kling AI, paste it, and click Generate. Once finished, you'll have the first part of your time-lapse. For the next step, remove the original begin frame. Replace it with the end frame from the first generation. Then upload the next image as your new end frame. Now pay close attention. Only delete the specific section of the prompt shown here. Keep everything else exactly the same. Then go back, copy the second time frame prompt, paste it in, and generate again. Repeat this same process for the remaining images. Once all generations are finished, bring them into any editing software and place the clips in the correct order. And just like that, your full luxury topiary time-lapse is complete. This is exactly how creators are making those viral videos, getting millions of views right now. And now you can do it too. All the tools and links are in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.